Hello everyone. So now we can have the camera options in the Excel sheet. So just at the top you click on this arrow and click on more commands, and here you have to select all commands, and from all commands it is in alphabetical order. So you have to find camera options. It is here, yeah. And then click on add. It will get added in your toolbar actually, and then press OK. So you all can see camera option is now available. Okay, so now for example, if I select the full data, something like this, okay, then click on camera. Okay, now wherever you want, suppose you want to paste your data somewhere over here, then easily that data will come, something like this. Now, the best part is if I change anything to this base data or real data, it will get affected into this picture. Suppose here I am writing Anil and I am writing Anil Sharma, for example. See, it is changing. If I write suppose some other name Yug for this instead of Meet Panchal, okay, it is coming. If I write Goa instead of Goa, if I write Maharashtra, okay, for that, see, it is changing. So that is the advantage of camera function in Excel. Thank you everyone.